Most people start YouTube food channels because they love food. I started this YouTube channel, Anti-Inflammation Kitchen, because I wanted to show you foods that does more than just fill you up. These foods strengthens the body and supports healing. I was diagnosed in 2001 when I was in high school, and my symptoms were, blurry vision, numbness in my hands and legs. You have the anxiety, the fatigue. I think the fatigue was my biggest. At first, I thought medication would solve everything. I am on meds right now, but the symptoms were still there. So I started asking myself, God gave us this big, beautiful earth. There must be something in it that can help us, right? So in 2006, I started experimenting. I paid attention to what my body was telling me. Every time I had gluten, dairy, eggs, or tomatoes, my left leg would go numb. So I did the only logical thing. I fired them. Straight off the shopping list. When I replaced these foods with ingredients that fight inflammation, things started improving. Not overnight, but slowly. Over time, I built recipes that helped manage MS symptoms. And this diet applies to any inflammatory diseases like arthritis, lupus, psoriasis, Crohn's disease. My green power video, when fatigue hits. Anti-inflammatory juices when I'm sick. Fermented Korean wings that help the gut. Even something I call daily black gold that helps with my knee pains and my leg pains. Then something happened that changed my perspective. I started attending MS conferences. There I saw people younger than me in wheelchairs and walking in canes. That broke my heart. Because I thought, what if some of these recipes can help them, can help someone else? I attended an MS webinar of 40 years of MS research, and they said the same thing. Nutrition and exercise can support the treatment and support the body. Who would have thought? That's what this channel is about. Food that works with your body and not against it. Yes, you have meds, but you also need diet and you need exercise to help you win this battle. Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. Everything here is actually what I cook and how I manage inflammation in my life. If something helps me, I share it because good ideas shouldn't be kept in secret. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes at Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. Bye.